Hi guys, Seth Geddes here. Today I'm going to be reviewing the LEGO Technic 42153 NASCAR Next Gen Chevrolet Camaro. It has 672 pieces. Let's begin. These are the instructions for the set. It has 129 pieces. It is like the regular LEGO sets where it's only one piece per page. It could be more advanced, but I think it's okay. Here's the parts list. So the build is finished. Since this is NASCAR, I'm pretty sure I heard somewhere that the doors, they actually don't have doors in there, so when people complain about this set having its doors not open, it's actually a bit more realistic that way. It has steering, and under the hood, it has a V8 piston engine that they just slightly vibrate, but it's pretty cool. This set is the only set of its scale with a differential. All the others are just attached by like one gear. And so this set is the most realistic of the sets. If you don't know how a differential works, it's made so that when turning, these wheels, the engine will still put power through the wheels, but the wheels are able to turn at different speeds so that it can turn properly. This set was actually pretty fun to build. There's a couple different angles of it. It looks pretty realistic. It only has one seat like the actual one. The knob cannot be removed for better looks. Well, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed.